Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Well, guys, the major averages closed out Monday's trading session to the downside as the indices hovered in a tight range for most of the day. Treasury yields, on the other hand, caught a bid higher. The blue chip Dow closed out Monday lower by 0.2%. The benchmark S&P 500 ended in the red by 0.1%, and the tech-focused Nasdaq Composite finished lower by 0.4%. We get Jay Powell testimony on Wednesday, and markets are pricing in a dovish Fed. Bitcoin is on the verge of new highs, gold making new highs. Investors are betting on a June interest rate cut. We shall see what he says in his testimony to Congress. For tomorrow, notable companies due to report include Target, Neo, Ross Stores, Nordstrom, CrowdStrike, CRWD, and Box. CrowdStrike is scheduled to report fourth quarter earnings after the close. Analysts expect a year-over-year increase in both the top and bottom lines, with earnings per share of 82 cents on revenues of $839.96 million. The cybersecurity firm is expected to post strong fourth quarter results, benefiting from strong demand for its cybersecurity amidst an increase in online threats. However, analysts expect the Austin, Texas-based company to be conservative with its initial fiscal year 2025 guidance. According to Raymond James, as CrowdStrike is roughly half the size of Palo Alto Networks and a fraction of the size of Fortinet, the company has plenty of runway to grow its customer base in the coming quarters. Last month, Palo Alto's comments about businesses suffering spending fatigue in regard to cybersecurity costs as well as pricing adjustments dragged cybersecurity stocks lower. Over the last 3 months, the company has seen multiple revisions to its estimates. Its earnings per share estimates have been revised upwards 4 times, while its revenue estimates have seen 3 upward revisions. PANW, Palo Alto earnings. We saw the earnings dump 2 weeks ago, and then the greatest trader of our generation, Nancy Pelosi, stepped in and bought call options. You can make a lot of money trading options. For more information and for specific, if you're looking for ideas, make sure you click that link in the description. We'll be sharing more of those types of trades with our subscribers. Tomorrow we're going to get ACIU. We'll have multiple presentations at the International Conference on Alzheimer's and Parkinson's Disease. VAXX will also present clinical data from its UB-3112 program in Parkinson's disease and its preclinical data from its anti-tau program in Alzheimer's disease. Companies scheduled to participate tomorrow in the Morgan Stanley Technology, Media, and Telecom Conference, including Palo Alto Networks, AMD, Disney, IMAX, and Iron Mountain. Fisker has an extraordinary shareholder meeting scheduled. Shareholders will vote on a stock issuance proposal and authorized share proposal. Target will hold a financial community meeting following the release of its earnings report covering the holiday quarter. Some of the key topics of interest will be the initial fiscal year 24 guidance, the latest on cost savings initiatives, and capital allocation priorities. Options trading implies a 7% swing in share price after the earnings report. The three stocks that correlate the closest to target are Nordstrom, Abercrombie & Fitch, and Dollar Tree. We'll also get 1 p.m. Super Micro will present at the KeyBank Emerging Technology Summit, just added to the S&P 500. In terms of small caps that I am watching, PAY, Paymentus Holdings stock soared 16%, or it was up 3% at one point, and then over 16% in after-hours trading after Q4 adjusted EBITDA and guidance for Q1 and full year 24 adjusted EBITDA was far stronger than the Wall Street consensus estimates after Q4 earnings blew past expectations. The provider of bill payment technology expects 2024 revenue of $720 million to $744 million versus the average analyst estimate of $732 million and $614 million in 2023. It also expects full year 2024 adjusted EBITDA of $65 to $75 million versus $64.3 million consensus. Q1 revenue is expected to be $170 million to $176 million versus $172.4 million consensus and $164 million in Q4. Guidance for Q1 of adjusted EBITDA was $15 million to $17 million, is higher than estimate of $11.9 million that was prior expectations. Overall, the CEO said Paymentus again reported quarterly results that exceeded our original expectations as revenue rose 24.7%, contribution profit grew 22.7%, and adjusted EBITDA was up 95.4% year over year, said founder and CEO Dushyant Sharma. We also ended the year on solid footing with the strong backlog, which we believe leaves us well positioned for continued growth in 2024. So nice earnings here, and going to be new highs tomorrow. I'll be watching this for more upside. NYCB, I had this on my radar today. I said, everybody watch this one. Again, we're trading green, not red. I mean, it opened right here at 364, ticked to 365, and then dumped through the day. So it was a great short throughout the day. Guys, I play both sides. Put this stuff on your radar screen. You can play both sides, make a lot of money. Don't get into biases. Two major ratings firms downgraded the bank's credit ratings again after the bank disclosed a material weakness last week. After Friday's close, Fitch Ratings downgraded NYCB's long-term issuer default ratings and its Flagstar Bank subsidiaries rating to BBB negative, the lowest investment grade rating from BBB. Its rating outlook is negative. Meanwhile, Moody's Investors Services cut the long-term issuer rating to B3 from B lower A2, which was already below investment grade, and Flagstar Bank long-term deposit rating from BA3 from BAA2. The long-term ratings are also in review for further downgrade. Moody's notes that the material weakness along with changes in its board membership are further signals that it's undergoing substantial changes in governance, oversight, risk management, and internal controls. That the changes are occurring during a particularly challenging time for NYCB points to heightened ongoing risk to its creditworthiness during the lengthening period it may take for all these changes to become fully effective. Moody's believes that NYCB may have to boost its provisions for credit losses over the next 2 years due to the credit risk of office loans and that there's substantial repricing risk for loans against apartment properties. Fitch said the additional liquidity that NYCB has taken on its balance sheet in anticipation of meeting liquidity requirements for Category 4 banks, which it crossed with the acquisition of Signature Bank assets, will reduce the bank's net interest margin and earnings assets, which will curtail overall profitability this year. That led Fitch to downgrade its earnings and profitability to score for NYCB to BBB negative from BBB with a negative outlook. So guys, remember always prices can always go lower or higher than you think. So again, just because something's low, don't mean that it's a buy, and just because something is high doesn't mean it's a short. So again, play play the momentum, whichever side it is working. RNLX stock was up at one point, was up in pre-market and then rose today up 41% after the company disclosed it has been approached by a publicly traded diagnostic company about a possible acquisition and issued an update on its financial position. The company, which develops diagnostics for the management of kidney disease, said the approach was unsolicited and involves the possible acquisition of all its shares. It described the interested party as a large and well-capitalized publicly listed strategic diagnostics company. So again, $1.47 here could see a buyout while this looks promising. As a result, the company said it has launched a formal sale process, which will enable its board to engage more widely with all potentially interested parties with a view to optimizing the outcome for RNLX shareholders. In terms of charts, stocks I'm looking at, Fisker, FSR, just ugly. Tomorrow, big day for the company. Hopefully get more insight. The overall EV sector, Tesla, NIO, Nikola, just weak across the board. Tesla disappointing numbers out of China today. So again, while AMD, NVIDIA, SMCI, the crypto stocks are all running, the EV sector right now is weak. Play strength, short weakness. That's what we're looking here. SoundHound AI, SOUN here. Ugly day, opened here right at 644, ticked to 646, and then dropped all day. Just not seeing support until $4. So be cautious, guys, here. Mara with Bitcoin over 68,000, ending down here weak. Disappointing earnings last week. Just an ugly reversal today. It was forming a pennant. Traders above 27 thought they had it, that the market was going to rally because that was the high on Friday. $27 got opened above there and then reversed. Ugly chart here in Mara. VKTX, make or break. This here is just gearing up for a major move one way or another. Above $1, above 100, it's really going to squeeze. So certainly going to be watching this one for trade setups. I will also be, guys, scanning pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up, and it's completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech, FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and mobile number. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.